Hi, my name is Greg Gouache, and to save everyone's ears, I'm just going to talk about the 5 body regions, planes of actions, and directional terms rather than sing about it. Trust me, it's better for everyone this way. So to start, we have first body region, cephalic, or head, so kind of made up of your skull and face. Next we have cervical, which is kind of your neck area, so it's made out of the tailbone that kind of attaches to the skull, as well as your trachea. Trunk of the body, which is kind of everything above the hips, below the neck. So this is kind of made up of your chest and abdomen. Upper limbs, so kind of your arms, so kind of in here we have some examples of biceps, triceps, and wrists. Lower limbs, so kind of your legs, so below that we kind of have your glutes and kind of hamstrings and things like that. Planes of action, so first plane is frontal, so it cuts your body into front and back. And next we have sagittal. So sagittal cuts your body in kind of left or right. So down the middle we have a mid-sagittal line. We also have a transverse line, which cuts your body into kind of upper and lower. We also have oblique, which is anything other than these 90-degree angles. So example, if the line was coming through your patella and out your ankle, that would be an oblique line. Directional terms, so we have superior, which is higher up on the body, closer to the head. So example, my heart is superior to my urinary bladder. The opposite of it is inferior, so my urinary bladder is inferior to my heart. Another term close to superior is cranial, which it also applies closer to the head, but can be used for four-legged animals as well. So example, cat's heart would be cranial to its urinary bladder. Next we have anterior, so closer to the front of the body. So for example, my patella is anterior to my crural or calf, and then there's posterior, which is opposite, so my calf would be posterior to my patella. Next we have medial, so closer to the midline. So for example, my trachea is medial to my heart, and then the opposite of that is lateral, so my heart is lateral to my trachea. We also have proximal, which is closer to the joints connected to the trunk, so upper and lower limbs. So for example, my humerus is proximal to my radius, and the opposite of it, so further away from these joints. So my radius is distal to my humerus. Also we have superior, which is closer to the skin or the surface, so my rib cage is superficial to my heart. Thanks, hope you enjoyed.